It's cozy wozy right now. But we still gonna get these vlogs going in on the right. Y'all take who's up?
This. Oh no, not the Mustang. I ain't know that shit dangerous.
What's up, man?
Tree.
Oh.
Oh, nice to meet you. J5.
He the bodyguard.
All right. Bet.
Don't give up. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Look at that.
Ew. Shit. Well, let me get it jumping. I come from the slum, but I'm a slum dog millionaire. I show you how to get it bumping. Shit, you know I'm coming. Just as long as it ain't in your hand, you gotta get it in something. Ain't that a straight back, I ain't bluffing. I got bread, got a pocket full of muffins. I gotta pay you back for your patience. But what if I said I got a stack for the waitress?
Children are dying every day from hunger and sickness. Innocent children, just like this one. These children are facing death right now. But with your support and just 50 cents a day, we can save them. Please go online or call this number and join the U.S. Fund for UNICEF for only $15 a month. It's just 50 cents a day, and you'll deliver emergency medical care, vaccines, and life-saving nutrition to the children who could die without it.
Like to be in a mix, like to be in a group, huh? Big camera. Both cameras. Keep that camera on me at all times. So that, hey, when I tell you when you go to sleep, so it's like, man, we're walking into the mix right now, the gas station, get some snacks. And it better not be closed, it's probably gonna get that ass slapped back. Huh? That ass stop playing. Hey, when Tree got food stuff, everybody see the that boy had snacks. Hey, you know I keep snacks on the light day. So right now, what you want? Fuck it. What you doing? Right now we in the gas station getting some snacks right now. You know how this shit go on a light day. You know the 12 say we can't do our little gatherings so we're gonna take our talent somewhere else.
Take our talent to Mexico.
Huh?
Take our talent to Mexico.
Yeah, we're gonna take our talent somewhere else. I'm gonna do y'all a favor. Hey, when y'all candy at? Oh, right here. You about to get candy.
That boy said he got a sweet tooth.
Tell you. Like they got candy. Oh, what's the music? Somebody might put it down. I don't need this shit. They ain't got no candy right now. Who the hell they got down? Oh, right here, J5. J5.
He done grabbed the whole box.
Shit, when you got them snacks, you got a whole stove.
Oh, it's your turn. No, it's your turn. No, you didn't.
What was that, the gas station?
No, you didn't.
What you want me to
Nigga, I might work to my Timbs.
Nigga, you fucking free market that balloon.
Wait, what I called you in the car? What I called you in the car? I said, yo, po ass. Po ass. Po. Tell you, it's cozy wozy right now. We still gonna get these vlogs going in on the right. Y'all take who's up?
This.
Next time I come up in here, you better have a smile on your face.
I'm smiling right now.
No, you not.
All right.
You talking, you ready?
All right, man. All right.
You ready?
Hit it back. Like, please. Please. Just buy what you buy.
Hey, where you from? You from Chicago? I'm from New York.
Nah, I'm from here.
I got you from New York. Oh, shit. Oh, got bro. Yes, sir.
That boy said he donated.
How the hell this shit come up?
Cause he got a box. Cause he got a box of candy.
Yes.
I didn't think I said you put a tip.
Hey, Junior run a long way around here.
Come on, bro.
Goddamn, your southern ass.
That boy on a secret mission.
All right, bye.
Let go. I need. But y'all see how I just handle that kid. You know, everyone glad you don't have a smile on.
Listen to that, they sound like a monkey.
Oh my God.
That boy take that bitch. That boy take that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out. Hey, where the hell Trey at?
Mike Black with the black team, you know what I mean?
Where the hell Trey at?
You live there tonight. Right here. Let me go.
Oh shit. Yeah, you the police. Hey, it's chilly than a song, bitch.
I told you.
Hey, that nigga drank like a fish. Fish drinking ass duck. Look, y'all ain't like the back of a Durango. Stupid looking man.
Bitch, you like under a trap.
Y'all ain't like the bottom of my boot. Y'all ain't like the bottom of my boot there, Padre. I need to do some TikTok. TikTok love this shit. TikTok love this shit, and I love this shit.
What shit going on out here?
Yeah, it really did. It's just time to go get on that game, that's all.
Alright, I'm sure gonna hop on. What you playing?
What time it is?
You playing GTA?
It ain't 10 o'clock yet. No, we can put, oh, shit, 8:43.
Yeah, time flying like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
I guess I'll hop on that GTA.
Oh, they coming, man.
My pole lit.
I know goddamn Balenciaga on the light, Dave. You feel me? We got all these good hopeful people out here. Look, everybody's good.
This is really good. That boy got those snacks.
Feeling cold. Shit on. Shit on.
How high the power lines go? I'm gonna fly my drone.
Hold on. Shit on.
Fly that bitch through the building.
Shit on. Hell is you doing?
As y'all can see, Treat trembling.
I'm cold, hand froze.
God, I'm finna go goddamn hug.
I tell you, I'm finna goddamn. At least we got a little footage.
Welcome to America.
I was saying, a little footage won't hurt.
No.
As y'all can see, it's cold, but I'm still out here gonna make sure we handle it again. What's going on? Hey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Huh? Get in mine, get in.
That's it.
I don't like that, you see what I'm saying? Everybody walking past, I'm goddamn let everybody get in the video. I'm still hot, I'm still cold, I'm still cold.
That boy pulled up in the Matt Benzo. Oh no, not the Mustang. I ain't know that shit dangerous.
What's up, man?
Gonna clap everybody out here. Hey, everybody. You know, you always talk to the random
we out
people.
here on the light day, right? Cold, but we ain't gonna let that cold do nothing to us, big.
Who are you?
I'm Tree.
Tree. Slick.
Slick.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, you slick. Slick with him, still slick move.
You talking about a slick move? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Tree.
Oh.
Oh. Nice to meet you. J5.
He the bodyguard. He the
Alright.
Alright.
Bet. Respect.
Now we're doing a YouTube video.
Oh yeah. Y'all seen hell of YouTube out here. Y'all going crazy.
I was right up in that bitch right here.
On the
Central.
It call us a central fuck. Damn, boy, it cold as hell. I can't give in. I can't deal with this shit.
Yeah, but it's too damn cold. I'm about to get the phone.
Alright, y'all boys. Y'all be safe out here on these streets.
Nice to meet y'all.
I mean, y'all be safe out here, bro.
Cold, I know why I'm supposed to be drink. Man, go hold this.
Yeah, you holding that motherfucker.
Girl, I know you cold, girl.
She said, girl, boy, stop looking at me.
I know she was gonna be mad walking past these.
Hey, but look though, I'm gonna get back up with y'all. This video ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna get y'all a long vlog. Y'all but just keep staying tuned with this shit, man. Don't give up. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Look at that.
You need a hat?
Cut it off. Let it go.
That boy and that, you know.
Hey, J5, you got camera on? Turn it on right quick.
The dude.
Train the gas station. Oh, he trying to copy these. You feel me?
I just tried to.
I thought he was getting more snacks. He said he ain't full yet.
Man, what? Big boy gotta eat.
Hey, big boy, don't do that.
Hey, I know how it is though. Hey, y'all ain't trying to go in going to Stone Island and go you folks. Come on, man. Cold.
Right,
This
tell
for the
him
ball,
again.
bro.
Yeah, fuck that vlog.
See,
What do you say? What are you gonna do?
You ain't trying to get out the hood.
He said he wanna go in there and get
Oh, whoa, whoa. He said what?
Come on, man. Somebody got that yeah.
Alright.
You can't go here unless you're a student.
Fuck you.
Can't go here. Let's do what?
You're a student.
Dumbass, nigga. Dumb as fuck.
How they know I'm going to school?
Wait a while.
I didn't know the nigga could do so stupid.
Can't take home, no.
What y'all looking scared? Mama said, don't talk straight. You want to talk. You just wait one talk. Y'all gonna do me like that? You see them? Sorry, I'm in.
Huh?
It's on live.
Oh no, we do YouTube.
What you talking about?
Yeah, we live.
Oh yeah, we live on. Oh yeah, boy got that shit on.
I'm in.
On a light day.
Man, yo to the P, man. Had me on the ground, man. You did. Walk the sad 2K. You said what? Everybody say this your boy.
Ooh. Dude. Come on, bro. Playing, bro.
I got that in the car. Going to hear the rest of the folks.
I gotta do a loop bump every time.
Oh.
Did he fall?
No, the doe tried to take me out. Oh, it's almost same color my car. I need to get one like that. Same color. Get the hell out of here.
There you.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look, 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 look.
Oh yeah.
Tree.
We got 12 coming in hot.
Only action one time. If you ain't getting gas, get out of here.
Oh, time to go.
Boy, I got the cats up here.
12 pulled up. They said,
I'm only asking one time. If you're not getting gas, get out of here.
if you're not getting gas, get your ass.